Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this interesting video we are going to create a new GHL form, and in that form we are going to capture a lead. Yes, because every website needs a lead, and lead captures via form, via contact number, via email, but most of the preferred way is form. We provide a form to a lead and the lead fill the form, whether it is a contact form, whether it is a project form, whether it is a discount form, offer form, any type of form. But today we are going to create a general form that actually will get sent to the customer, and customer will open it, fills it and submit it, and that lead will automatically get submitted inside our go high level, and then we can use that lead in our own purpose. So let's move towards GHL screen and let me show you that how you are going to create a new lead capturing form. Okay guys, we are back and go high level, and let's go and build a form. So for that, first of all we have to move inside the sites, and then we have to move inside the form, and then inside the builder. Okay, so here currently I'm going to create a form from scratch, not choosing from the template, so that you guys can also understand that how to create a form. Okay, so inside the scratch, okay, this is the pre-built form that will get appear. This is a general form, but I will let you know that how you can add or delete, or you can say customize the fields. So for that, first of all, you can see there is a first name, last name. So instead of these two, what if I delete them, and what if I just use full name field here, right here? Okay, so this is a full name field, full name, email, and then here I also want to give some options to the clients and allow them to choose. Okay, so what type of business? Okay, and here let me edit the options. Okay, from here I can add software houses, rent a car, or the third one is laundry, and you can add multiple options from here as well. Okay, so from content everything is done. Placeholder, I don't need that. Short label, I don't need that. Field length, advanced settings, no, everything is done. So simple is this, and you added a new drop down here. Okay, and when somebody is filling that, he has to choose something from here. Okay, and I will let you and I will also show you that how it actually looks like. And then I can also add multiple drop line here again. Okay, and here I can add budget. What's your BUD budget? Okay, and furthermore here you can add less than $1,000. Okay, I will simply copy it here, paste it here, between $1,000 to 3,000. Okay, and at the end let us I only paste greater than 3,000. Okay, just I'm creating just to show you guys that how actually we are going to use this. Okay, so this is all done, and at the end you can say two check boxes. You can also edit them as well. Okay, so for now this I can simply change it to, okay, simply click on settings, and inside settings you can edit it from here. Yes, just for you guys, you can edit it from here. Okay, so by clicking on the settings, and then you can edit it, and if you want to add a new checkbox, you can simply click on it here, Like in scroll down, you can find this text box list or a checkbox, and simply drag it here, right here. Okay. Then I will delete the extra checkboxes, and here I change it to label. I do not need a label right now, so I simply deleted it. And inside the options, I can write whatever I want here. Okay, like this. Okay, and everything is done, and here you can see a new checkbox has been added. So here is the button. You can edit the button layout as well. Let us see that how we can edit it. Yeah, here's we can select the themes like this, or like this, or like this. And if you want text only, then it can be this, but I think this is okay. And after that, you can edit it by your own as well. Okay, alignment can be the center one, the left one, the right one, and I will choose the center one. Borders, and then padding, and then a lot of settings are here, so you can edit the button sequence from here as well. And now let me preview this form, that how it actually looks like now. Oh, what's this? Okay, first of all we have to save it. Okay, so custom field allows being choose, so we can use different type of name from here. Okay, first of all let us delete the extra things. Okay, okay, so there is an issue of a custom field, and a custom field is here. So I will simply remove the custom fields right now, and then let's see what will happen. Okay, so I'm just currently removing the custom fields. Okay, so now let's see what will happen. Okay, well, I am just here to show you that how it actually looks like. Okay, so we have created our form, and now it's time to edit its layout. So for that, you can see here styling and options. We simply click on it, and here you can style your form, change the theme, advanced, a lot of things. Currently this is single column, so you can see only one thing, and if I change it to 2 columns, then you can see the output or layout has been changed, but single columns looks good. After that, here on the bottom you can see colors and the backgrounds. So I will simply go here and change the background color from white to this one. Yeah, this one looks good. Okay, and after that, background image as well. So first of all, we are going to download a background image, and consultation bg image. Okay, so I like this one. Let us download it and see how actually it. No, we want JPG and JPG image. Okay, so let's find the JPG image. Let's see, but this is not a good one. And what about this one? Again. Okay, finally. We can simply name it as consult, then click on save, then we are back and go high level, and on the right bottom you can see a background image. I will simply select the image which I just downloaded, and let's see. Yes, so you can see on the background it has been pasted. Here is the form, This all done. Okay, so now you can change the primary color, input text color as well, and furthermore you can also change this text color as well. And now let's move towards the themes, and here are already built-in themes for you as well. So if you don't want to manually change this one, you can select the theme from here as well. So let's move with this one. Okay, let's see that how actually it will look like. Okay, yes, this one. So for one more thing that I want to add up here is that, so if you want to change this layout, like enter name, and then you can see there is a line, you can see input style, I can change it to box, so it will get converted to the boxes. And if I want to change it to line, then it will change up to the line system. Okay, and this is advanced, which is of border color, border width, shadow color. Well, it means a lot of input fields, labels. So these all things are here for our easiness. Custom CSS as well. You can add custom CSS, means custom code to design your form. So this is all that how you can create your form. And if you want to integrate this form inside your funnel, you will simply click on integrate, and after that you can choose on which on the website, on which area you want to paste this form, like on the left side, on the right side, on the pop-up, inline. And then you will simply click on copy embedded code. After setting this after making these settings, you will simply copy the code, and then you will simply paste it inside the websites. Okay, and then your form will get live on the website. We will do this but later when we are going to create the website. So let us save this form, save for website, and we will get back to it, and I will show you that how you guys will integrate this. So for now, that's all that how you can create the form, and let's see you in our next video. Till that, thank you, bye bye.